Very good morning to you. And today we are going to shift our topic from DNA replication to mutation. And this is a very important thing as far as genetics is concerned. Because how from DNA, RNA is synthesized from RNA, how the proteins are synthesized systematically we will go. But here it is very much important that whatever structure, whatever sequence DNA have, whether it is a constant, if it is constant, then why the variations are there, how the characters, new characters are adapted. All these questions we are going to answer as far as this chapter is concerned. In your syllabus, there are several points are given. We are going to cover all those points. Besides that, also for the understanding purpose, several extra points are also we are going to discuss. The prior to directly start the mutation chapter, I want to aware with you regarding to the two theories. One is the Lamarckism, or that is also referred as the Lamarckian inheritance. It is also known as neo-Lamarckism. You might aware, you also seen this picture might be familiar to you during your 12th standard in evolution chapter. You will find that how the giraffe is evolved, and that is explained by the Lamarck. So this is the old story. Just see the era of Lamarck. 1744 is the birth date and 1829. Henceforth, of course, they are not know that much more details. But why we still referring them? Because they have given a very nice proposal as far as their explanations are concerned. Many times we will find that these explanation given by them has no value today or have a little value today, but still how the people think at that time without exposure, that is also important component of the learning. Hence why purposefully this Lamarckism is there. So what is this theory? According to this theory is also referred as the inheritance of the acquired characters. Okay. As far as this theory is concerned, what this theory suggests that the an organism can pass on its offspring a physical characteristics that the parent organism acquired through the use and disuse during the lifetime. Means, for example, during a lifetime, suppose if any organism is adapting to something, so that character is regain and get a transfer into the new offspring. Means according to environment, what is the Lamarck saying? That the according to environmental need, organisms changes the thing. Actually, today we are known that the everything which is going to be changed as far as organism is concerned, that is a part of a DNA. If until and unless the DNA is not changed, nothing will going to change. For example, suppose I am saying that I have the brown eyes, that means my DNA encoding in that way. Okay, so these are the changes. Now, as far as this, so for example, whatever example he has given about the giraffe, that giraffe is a normal animal, just like other animal. It doesn't have the stretched neck initially, but during the period of evolution, what Lamarck suggests that as you find the difficulty to eat the grasses are not available henceforth to eat the branches of the trees and leaves from the trees. He is stretching continuously his neck, and due to the continuous stretching, means this giraffe is starting stretching this neck. Then next generation is that it is extended. Then still it is stretching this thing. In that way, the stretching of a neck, which is evolved in case of a giraffe, this is the uh, due to the changes as far as the former offspring is concerned. Means what is that? The according to environment, the things are changed. Actually, although Lamarck is not say, but indirectly I am saying because we know the Lamarck and we also know the today's understanding. And as far as this thing is concerned, keep in mind that the according to him he says that the depending on the environmental situation that is traced out, and accordingly DNA get modified, because for the DNA for the this shorter neck and DNA for the longer that is a modified one, and for these modification is according to environment. So what is say that the environment has a role, okay, as far as these things. Henceforth, it is referred as the characters are acquired by these things and these are transferred. So this is the Lamarckism. Today we not accept this particular theory. Whether you find any problem as far as the theory is concerned, why I'm saying, because it is not accepted today. At that time when it is proposed, at that time it is accepted, but today we not accept this. Whether you find any advantage, any disadvantage.
Sir, if I acquired the character of teaching microbiology, it will not pass to the next generation.
Very good,
Means
very good.
this is disproved by Wiseman, I think.
Okay,
Germplasm theory.
okay. You are correct that the whatever characteristics, and that is there are so many examples are there. For example, in Hinduism, the generally the way pierce the earlobe, make a hole there. But in new offspring, there is no such thing. Even Chinese people generally take care that their foods generally women uh, wear such a shoes that will restrict their food growth, but it is never happen that same thing is happening. Hence for acquiring the characteristic is not there, but although he has given the lot of positive points. One example is of for the giraffe. He also given the goldsmith or the carpenter's muscles, means carpenter and his son's muscles are stronger, and as far as he says that the due to the acquired character this is happening. But this theory is a challenge and nullified due to the very important person, and he has a much more hold as far as biology is concerned. It is Darwin. Whatever theory he has proposed, it is the theory of natural selection. That is also referred as the Darwinism. Okay, there are so many theories are also there, but we restrict our discussion with respect to these two theories. Okay, because today most accepted theory as far as biologists are concerned, it is the theory of Darwin, and as far as evolution is concerned, there are so many theories are. Now, what this particular Darwin says that according to this theory, all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of a small inherited variation that increases the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. Means as far as the Lama conclusion is concerned, that is well accepted. But it is said that this is the nature select, nature not enforce. In according to Lamarck, he said the environment is going to influence, but here it is not so. The changes are random one, and those changes are selected by the nature. These are a stable one. That is what Darwin said. Means one of the clear-cut difference between Darwinism and Lamarckism is that, as far as Darwin is concerned, Darwin said that the changes are at the DNA level, but their expression wherever there is there, if environment suitable, then the characteristics are stable. If that particular characteristics is defined, means these particular change in shapes of these particular birds, these are not due to the environment, these are the random phenomena, these are change. But many times such a modified structure is there. For example, by chance you forget to brought a notebook of genetics today, whenever you are going at a college, and you forget that you are not brought a genetics notebook, and by mistake you are taken another notebook, so for example virology, and on the same day, for example, I have cancelled my lecture, and Radav sir has taken that lecture, and you are lucky in that sense that, but you not know what whether this modification is going to be. In that way, the nature have selected you, and that characteristic is adapted. So that is proposed by the Darwin. Also, one of them is believe that generally the picture is shown that the monkeys are get evolved and become a human. This is not like that. Actually, the ancestor of monkey and ancestor of human being is the same. Okay, and so that doesn't you, because if you accept that thing that the monkeys are transforming into human beings, currently monkeys are going to become a human being. That is never happening. But the monkey's ancestor and this actually ancestor of everything is the bacteria, and that also we know these things. But in that way evolution takes place. Okay, once you get a clear, then now I want this thing is that whether the environment have influence on the DNA. If you clear this concept regarding this theory, then it is very easy to give the answer of this particular question. Whether the nature or environment influence the gene, it has ability to change the gene. Yes, Krishna.
Yes,
Sir,
sir, I think.
can you
Durvesh.
repeat, sir,
Okay,
please?
Durvesh. First, allow
Yes, sir.
Durvesh explain, then I come to the Krishna.
Sir, nature, I think, had effect on genes
Nature has
because
the, huh?
effect on gene.
Okay, how can you elaborate your point?
Like, sir, we learn about halophiles, thermophiles, like that.
Mhm.
Whatever environment is there, they modified according to that environment.
But suppose if I keep the E. coli in the halophilic environment, whether the E. coli become a halophile?
In halophile, they can tolerate high salt concentration.
Now I give the opportunity to discuss to Krishna. Krishna has something to say. Yes, Krishna.
Yes, sir. I think nature select the fittest gene.
No, 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 no.
Means
Don't believe on that theory. Their theory has already explained. What is my question is that whether the DNA is get modified by the environment. This is a very simple question. Simplifying, I am saying that the suppose if I am here in particular environment and my genetic makeup is there, if I transferred in another location, suppose I have visited to totally different country, Australia. So what do you think, whether the DNA will going to get modified?
no, sir.
No.
No, no.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Okay.
Modify with
Very much.
success.
Yes. Who have any answer? Sonia have an answer. Yes.
If
Modified.
घडली तर त्याच्या म्युटेशन होऊ शकतात ना.
Okay, I have not asked that what is going to happen. Only thing is that the whether my DNA is going to modify if the environment is changed, the DNA will be changed.
Yes,
It is
change.
happening.
It will be changed. It will
Yes,
be
sir.
changed.
How?
Yes, sir. Modified, sir.
How? Can you give me example?
If
In
if an organism require a certain phenotype or certain type of enzyme or protein in their body, uh, so these organism are tend to uh, produce or express this gene or the protein or enzymes like microorganism. If as we know that microorganisms are evolved like the archibacteria, they are
You
so,
can just restrict your discussion regarding to the suppose if I hold the E. coli into one environment and if I hold the E. coli in another environment, due to the environmental change, due to the natural influence, whether the DNA is going to modify or not. That is my question.
modified, sir, but more time is required.
How many time you required because within a 20 minute E. coli's life is finished.
no, sir.
No, sir, there will be no change in DNA unless and until if
Slow.
Okay, this is very important thing. Keep in mind that the nature, environment, natural conditions never responsible, never contribute to alter the DNA composition. DNA sequence remain same. It is not like that during winter it is different, during rainy season it is different, during summer it is different. No, never. At this particular climatic condition, it is never. Then still we find that majority of times we say that the many people say that the when I uh, uh, visit to particular locations, for example, during the shifting whenever shifting the place, I say that the my color is get a fair. Okay, so for example Krishna can say sir, meanwhile lockdown my color is darkened and whenever during my college day I am the fair. The color is coded by the DNA, no problem. But when Krishna is saying that the my color is darkened due to the continuous visit in the field, that is never responsible to change the DNA. The what the it particularly change, it change the expression
Inexpression.
of a gene.
Inexpression.
Environment never alter the DNA. DNA is a stable one. Okay, but environment has the influence as far as the expression of gene. Whether the gene should be expressed or should not express, that is many times decided by the nature. For example, whenever I am continuously exposing my body to sunlight, due to the sunlight, the melanin pigment is synthesized in more amount, and whenever I am not exposing myself, the melanin is not. Or in both the conditions, DNA is there. DNA is never get modified. Let me clear this particular with a very funny example, and throughout the lifelong you will not forget. For example, I love a particular person. Okay, then this is my belief inside that. Okay, and I am not going to propose. Okay, so for example, somebody is there and to one about which I have the different feelings, and so I love her. This is the particular belief. But when will I express? When the environment supports. Suppose, for example, you are loving with particular girl, and the girl's brother is a hockey player. You are not going to tell that you are loving her. Why? Because environment is influencing, and so this is the very important thing, is that the although reality is there, but whether it is expressing or not, that is the different thing. Henceforth, expression is many times influenced by the nature, but the DNA, the extract of the Lamarckism and Darwinism is same thing, is that the Darwin say that there is a no effect as far as DNA is concerned. DNA is continuously rotating, mutating, changing its behavior. How? That is not known. But whenever it change the characteristics that nature prefers, and according to Lamarck say that no, it is environment is enforcing to DNA and then it is going to change. No, that is not possible. Hence, on this basis, we say that the Darwin is a correct, because in this theory, he has said that the DNA of any organism is not get affected. It has its own changing pattern. What is actually its own changing pattern? That is it. Although I have given that the nature or environment never influence the things, but the gamma radiation, X-rays, UV rays, that are also responsible to alter the DNA. But hence I have used the word nature. In the nature, the gamma radiations are not there. Somebody has artificially thrown a atom bomb and all these things. That is not a part of environment. At that time, DNA is being modified. So that is not a natural thing. That is the totally exceptional thing. Hence, naturally, as far as ambient conditions are concerned, the DNA is never get modified, but nature can influence the expression of a gene. This is very much important to sentence. Nature never alter the DNA, nature never alter the sequence of DNA, and second, but nature can influence the expression of gene. Whether that gene should be expressed or not, that is many times decided by the nature. And in that way, we are continuously evolving. Then question arises, the changes are there and these changes are not induced by the environment. Nature doesn't contribute anything as far as the change is there. Then question arises, how these changes are taking place. So for that purpose, several definitions are, we must clear the definition. Then we are going to discuss that how the DNA is get modified. First of all, the change in the sequence. I'm not saying a change in the DNA. When the A form is converting into B form is converting to Z form, that is a change in the DNA. That the structural internal components are modified. That is not expected here. What I am saying, that the change in the sequence A, T, G, C, T, T, this sequence. So that sequence restrict your concentration to this particular thing. In the mutation, what is the definition? There are two important things: abrupt and stable change in a nucleotide base sequence. A sequence is get altered and sequences get a change, and one word also I have inserted here, that is abrupt, sudden. That it means that the in former offspring it is not there. In case of E. coli or in case of bacteria, for example, organism is utilizing lactose. Okay, but suddenly the changes takes place and next organism, next E. coli is not going to utilize the lactose. So this is the abrupt change. Okay, because so many things we can say that the formerly human beings possesses the tail also, but tail is later on get vanished. So this is not abrupt. That is the part of adaptation. Adaptation is a totally different thing. Of course, adaptations are due to the mutations, but that is a totally different thing. And so the definition of this particular mutation is the abrupt and stable, because once it is get changed, it is a stable in the next generation or the in the cell for the forward. So this is referred as abrupt and stable change in the nucleotide base sequence of a genetic material, and which is called as a mutation. This word is taken from the Latin word mutare, that means to change. Who is going to read this definition for me?
The abrupt and stable change in a nucleotide base sequence of the genetic material is called as a mutation.
Okay, it is abrupt change, it is a stable change, and change in the nucleotide base sequence. Sequence is get modified, and that is nothing but the mutation. I also use the word genetic material. I not use the word the DNA, RNA, because if the genetic material is the DNA, then that is the there. If RNA, in case of viruses, RNA is also. Then another thing is that the mutations are heritable alteration in the genetic material of the any organism. Heritable means once they are occur, they can transfer into the next generation. Hence, that is we already know the meaning of a heredity. Then the next is that the frequency of a natural mutation, that is also referred as a spontaneous mutation. The frequency of a mutation is the 10 raised to minus 7 to 10 raised to minus 12 per organism. Means suppose in case of bacteria, from one organism to up to the 10 raised to 7 organisms are, among that only few are going to show. Everything is not going to modify. The rate is slower as per as the natural mutations are concerned. The next is the mutation occur much more frequently in several regions of the DNA. In others, these regions are termed as the hotspot. Although I am saying that this is the random one, but still in the restricted particular part, in several regions, whether it is a eukaryotic or prokaryotic, the DNA undergoes the more mutation. The rate is higher as compared to normal things, and such regions are also referred as the hotspots. Hotspot, why? Because mutations are frequent. Here you should also clear the three things. Mutant. The word mutant means we are denoting the organism or bacterial strain or strain of organism in which mutation is detected. This is a relative term, and generally we refer to the normal organism as a wild type, and whenever the mutation occur in that organism, it is referred as the mutant. Mutation, as I just said, that the mutation is the phenomena of alteration in a gene sequence. So that gene sequence, how that gene sequence is changed, that procedure, the phenomena is nothing but the mutation. While mutation is the mutation inducing physical chemical agent. So these are the artificial way we have trace out, find out, scientists have find that there are several components which have ability to change the sequence, and these are referred as the mutagen. Gen means generating genesis, mutation generating agent. There might be physical agent like ultraviolet rays, or a chemical agent like a 5-bromouracil or the acridine dyes. So these three terms should be clear to you. Mutant is the organism, mutation is the phenomenon, and mutagen is the agent which is used to induce the mutation. So that's all regarding the important definition. Then questioner is what actually, why I am saying that the mutation is taking place, how it affects the thing. The first thing is that the gene code the information that is known to you. I mean, all the proteins, all the enzymes are encoded by the genes. We know the replication, transcription, translation, central dogma is clear to you. Then in the particular gene, from the particular gene, a particular mRNA is produced, and according to the codon. Once again, I am going to explain, but I think from the 12th we are learning this particular part. You might know. Whether you are listening, who is going to read this first, second thing? Yes, Chanchal.
Sir, DNA segment produces a complementary mRNA strand which has codon consisting of nucleotide triplet. The tRNA molecule has anticodon and forms complex with specific amino acid. The combination of tRNA molecule on mRNA depends on complementary pairing.
Okay, you know that the depending on the codon which is present on mRNA, the tRNA is inserted. Then what is the nature of codon is defined by the mRNA. mRNA is already defined by the DNA. Means everything is under control of the thing. Suppose if the change in DNA takes place, that means ultimately the mRNA is also get modified. If the mRNA is get modified, the codon structure is changed, means automatically another amino acid get incorporated. Hence, any alteration in the DNA is leads to alter the primary structure of the protein. How many structural levels are there as far as protein structure is concerned?
Primary, secondary, tertiary,
Four.
Okay, very good. These are
quaternary.
the four things. Whenever the dipeptide is there, two peptide molecules are there, it is referred as the quaternary, but generally majority of them have the tertiary. So what happens? Why the secondary structure is formed due to the primary? Means depending on the amino acids, they have how they are going to interact with each other with the neighboring. On that basis, the secondary structure is formed. How the amino acids apart from long distance, how they are whether they are attracting or repelling or the what kind of interactions with them, that defines the tertiary. And due to the
By
secondary,
hydrophobic
very good, hydrophobic hydrophilic interactions are there. So what happens due
or
to
van der
this?
Waals forces.
Yeah, due to this, what happens? The active conformation is generated. But suppose if I change the sequence, if I change the sequence of amino acid, means primary structure is get changed automatically. Secondary structure will change or tertiary structure will change. Means active conformation is modified by the change in structure of the primary, and the primary structure is totally defined by the DNA, because depending on sequence, the amino acids are there. Whenever we are learning this particular translation part, at that time I will explain. But let me clear this particular with this one. For example, this is the DNA, a normal globin gene, globin gene is there. Here GAG, CTC, and mRNA, whatever happens GAG, and from that here the glutamic acid GAG, for the GAG glutamic acid is there, and due to this the typical hemoglobin molecule, the RBC, is get formed. But suppose only the this particular A, okay, is get modified. I mean GAG is get modified by the GUG. The instead of glutamic acid, the G for the GAG, the meaning is a glutamic acid as far as the genetic code is concerned, and for the GUG it is the valine. Means everything is normal, everything is okay. Only thing is that where the glutamic acid is present in the protein, in the globin molecule, now here the valine is there, and due to this modification, the shape of a globulin molecule is changed. Due to the globulin molecule is changed, the shape of RBCs also get changed, and this is referred as the sickle cell anemia. You might aware regarding to this. Means due to the change, single nucleotide change, that responsible for the inheritable diseases also. So that is the for just understanding, we are restrict our focus as far as the bacterial genetics is concerned. So that is means just single change contribute a change in amino acid, and as the amino acids get changed, the protein structure is changed. Protein structure is changed means automatically cells behavior is got changed, and in that way, in sickle cell anemia, even the oxygen carrying capacity, oxygen binding capacities get altered, and it is not efficiently transfer the oxygen as compared to this. Hence, we know that the sickle cell anemia person needs a frequent blood transfusion. Then what are the types of mutation? There are several types based on the different classification. The one is the depending on the alteration in the DNA sequence. How the DNA sequences get altered, it is referred as the base substitution or the frame shift mutation. In base substitution, what happens? One base is get substituted by other. One is replaced by other. So, for example, Durvesh is there, but instead of Durvesh, another person comes, and Durvesh is one. This is a substitution. So that substitution can be occur by means of two ways. It is also referred as the point mutation. Why? Because it is restricted to the particular thing, particular point. It is might be a means base substitution as the further subcategories. There is a transition mutation and transversion mutation. Transition means what? When the purine is replaced by another purine, you know that the adenine, guanine, or the purine or G, means A is replaced by G or G is replaced by A. So this is the transition. Or pyrimidine is replaced by another pyrimidine, so that is also transition. Means purine replaced by purine, pyrimidine replaced by pyrimidine, it is a transition. While transversion is the if the purine is replaced by the pyrimidine and pyrimidine is replaced by the purine, so this vice versa whenever takes place, it is referred as a transversion. I think it is very easy to understand this particular concept. This diagram helps you. So here, purines are converting to purine, or pyrimidines are replaced by the pyrimidines, transition, and purines by pyrimidine or pyrimidines by purines. These are the transversion. So this is the one of the way by which we can define the mutation. Then another is the frame shift mutation. What happens due to the deletion means particular thing is replaced. I have given the example that Durvesh is gone and somebody else come there but here in this case whatever Durvesh is not there in a particular row and everything is getting means deletion, inversion, insertion, either removal, either addition, either change in the sequence, that is inversion. One or more base leads to shift. Because suppose for example if everything is written in a continuous way in a sentence and if one word one letter is get replaced, whole sentence meanings will be changed. And henceforth here not a substitution, one is not get replaced, one is get removed, or otherwise one is get inserted, or there is a inversion takes place. These all leads to change the shift, hence it is referred as the frame is get shifted, hence the name is a frame shift mutation. In insertion, one or two bases are inserted extra. Deletion means one or more bases are deleted. Inversion means there is an inversion but remains the same overall location, means overall number of base pairs are same. Duplication means the same is duplicated. Okay, another copy. Keep in mind the frame shift mutations are actually the disturbing the whole sequence, whole particular mRNAs get disturbed due to the such kind of deletion, inversion or insertion. And also if the frame shift mutation occur at the 3' end of that particular mRNA, that alters only the terminal part and many times the peptide remains active. But suppose it takes place at the 5' region of the mRNA, that is responsible to change, because for example at initially the frame is get modified, then all the structure is get modified. At the last if the modified means the remaining meaning is clear to this. This frame shift mutation further classified into the category that is the deletion mutation. Deletion already has a removal of one or more bases in the nucleotide chain, it is called deletion. For example, wild type, this is the particular sequence GAT, CAT, GAT in that way. Now here the suppose if the C is get removed, okay, C is get removed means A will take a location of this, because this is the continuous, this is just for the sake of convenience I have shown the gap. Generally you might know the genetic codes are not have a comma is not there. Okay, here the C is get removed, and hence here the GAT, ATG, ATC means there is no correlation between this. This particular frame is totally get shifted in case of mutant organism. Insertion, addition is there. So for example here the G is get added in this location, here GAT, CGA, but as the codons are triplet, hence it becomes the GCA, T becomes here TGA. In that way the sequence is going to change. This is the deletion mutation, this is the insertion mutation. Mutations are also classified on the basis of the resultant consequences, but that particular topic we are going to continue in the next lecture, because we have only 5 minutes remain. And meanwhile if you have any question as far as this particular topic is concerned, you can frankly ask. Only 5 minutes are there. Within
सर एकदा इन्व्हर्जन सांगा ना परत.
इन्व्हर्जन
हॅलो.
म्हणजे समजा आता हा C इथे this C is here and A is here, so instead of that A is here and C is here, so this becomes an inversion. Okay, or many times what happens, a totally a gene is get a change, means for example not like structure is get formed. This is the typical continuous thread like structure, and suppose if this is the, for example whether annotated, okay, suppose this is the normal thing. Now here the GAT, the CAT is there, but now what happens, this particular part is like become like this. Okay, and if it is cut from this particular location, This is cut from this location. Now, whatever part which is here, that is totally get modified due to the inversion, and here the structure is now like this. Here the cut is there, here this particular thing is there. Okay, so that is the thing associated with the this. Whether you get clear? Yes, Yogesh, have you asked the question? Hello.
सर मला ती सिकल सेल अॅनिमियाची एकच स्लाइड दिसत आहे.
ओके ओके, विल कंटिन्यू टुमारो. तुझ्या लेवलला काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम आहे वाटतं. बाकीच्यांना काय दिसतंय?
हा सर बहुतेक रेंज प्रॉब्लेम आहे.
काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. तू दुपारून 1 वाजेनंतर 2 वाजेनंतर YouTube वर बघून घेत चला है ना. अजून काही प्रश्न आहे?
हॅलो सर.
हा, पटकन विचार. 2च मिनिटं राहिले. हा.
हॅलो.
हम्म.
हा सगळ्यांचं असं म्हणणं होतं की जे कॉलेजचे आपले लेक्चर्स आहेत ऑनलाईन,
हम्म.
तर त्याचं टाइम टेबल जर बनवून भेटला आम्हाला.
टाइम टेबल दिलाय मी पाठवतो तुम्हाला. टाइम टेबल पण देतो.
हॅलो.
टाइम टेबल पाठवतो आज.
आणि सर
हा
जर
सर.
अजून
ठीक आहे सर. आणि ते म्हणजे आणि सर ते डाटाचा वगैरे प्रॉब्लेम येत आहे सर, त्याच्यामुळे जर दिवसातून 2 लेक्चर झाले तर बरं होईल.
आता ते माझ्या हातात नाहीये जास्त. मी आता काय केलंय, आता 3 लोकांचे जे रेग्युलर लेक्चर दिलेत आपण, आता आपण प्रॅक्टिकल पण घेणार होतो, पण प्रॅक्टिकल घेणार नाहीये. तर 3 लेक्चरचं मी देऊन टाकला.